Lamborghini Lanzador or EV concept, a glimpse into the electric bull's unleashed power. Despite its legacy of crafting formidable V12 supercars, Lamborghini now casts its gaze toward an electrified horizon. Embodied by the captivating Lanzador concept, far from a mere artistic endeavor, the Lanzador doesn't merely hint at Lamborghini's electric future. It serves as a vibrant preview of the automaker's inaugural electric vehicle slated to grace the roads in 2028. Positioned as a formidable contender against the Ferrari Purosangue and Rolls-Royce Spectre, the Lanzador marries all-weather performance with the commanding presence of its peers. While its audacious design, futuristic interior, and monumental power output of 1,341 horsepower propel it into the elite league of Lamborghini models, be they V12 powered or not. While the Lanzador concept tantalizingly teases with its audacious exterior, precise details of the electric powertrain beneath its bold veneer remain somewhat elusive. Dual motors with an exceptional specific output promise all-wheel drive prowess. Propelling these motors will be an enigmatic high-performance battery that not only guarantees an impressive range, but also fuels the Lanzador's electric heart with vitality. The piece de resistance, however, is the monumental 1 megawatt of power. The secret behind its 4-digit horsepower prowess? Harnessing this prodigious force is the aerodynamical Lamborghini Automotive system, orchestrating an intricate ballet of dynamic aerodynamics. Whether it's reducing wind resistance for efficiency or summoning enhanced downforce for precise control, the Lanzador proves its prowess across diverse terrains. An intricate symphony of technology enhances the Lanzador's performance. The active suspension, bolstered by air springs, adaptive dampers, and rear axle steering, accentuates stability and agility. Alongside this, precise torque vectoring seamlessly orchestrates the distribution of power, ensuring crisp handling and responsive maneuverability. Embodying unique proportions within Lamborghini's lineage, the Lanzador blends elements from the spirited Revuelto supersports car and the versatile Urus. An elevated ground clearance endows it with a practical edge, ensuring its prowess both on challenging roads and elegant driveways. Despite initial impressions of stature, the gloss black lower body cladding lends an illusion of lower height, reminiscent of Lamborghini's iconic supercar silhouette while embracing modernization. The Lanzador concept pays homage to Lamborghini's signature design language, iconic Gondini arches, akin to the legendary Countach arch over the wheels. The distinctive Y-shaped body side accent evokes memories of mid-engined intakes. Even the roofline, oriented for rear passengers, retains the unmistakable silhouette of a contemporary Lamborghini, imbued with modern subtlety. The Lanzador's body surfacing imparts an elegance that parallels the polarizing Revuelto. Inside, drama unfolds as traditionally opening doors grant access to an expanse of space, enhanced by reconfigurable rear seats and an expansive cargo area. The pilot concept epitomizes Lamborghini's innovation, cocooning the driver and passenger behind a Y-shaped dashboard. Eco-conscious materials define the interior, with merino wool upholstery sourced from renewable Australian sheep and recycled materials, accentuating the Lamborghini ethos, inscribing its legacy within Lamborghini's grand narrative. The Lanzador concept epitomizes the brand's Direzione Cortori ethos, a celestial aspiration to harmonize decarbonization with the undying spirit of the bull. With every Lamborghini embarking on an electrified journey by 2024, the Lanzador, poised to debut in 2028, will magnificently spearhead this evolution. Positioned near Lamborghini's headquarters, the production spec Lanzador stands as a testament to Lamborghini's unyielding commitment to excellence, ensuring an electrified future that resonates with both innovation and heritage. While the price tag is yet to be penned, the Lanzador will undoubtedly uphold Lamborghini's tradition of commanding attention and respect, setting a new standard for electric prowess on the road.